When it comes to ergonomic keyboards, the Keychron K11 Max really stands out as one of the best options available today. With its compact size of 13.62 by 4.52 inches and a sleek profile of just 1.14 inches high, this keyboard is designed not only for comfort but also for portability. Whether you're gaming, typing, or just browsing, the low-profile Keychron mechanical switches, available in either brown or red, provide a satisfying tactile response without sacrificing speed. The white and full RGB illumination options allow for customization, adding a stylish flair to any setup. One of the standout features of the K11 Max is its wireless connectivity options. With both 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth capabilities, you can easily switch between devices, making it an ideal choice for those who work across multiple platforms. The discrete media keys are another thoughtful addition, giving you quick access to volume control and playback without having to navigate through software menus. However, it's essential to note that the K11 Max comes at a premium price, making it one of the more expensive options on the market. Some users might find the lack of a wrist rest to be a drawback, particularly during long typing sessions. But if you value ergonomic design and high-quality switches, the K11 Max is certainly worth considering. Now, shifting gears to the Logitech G915 TKL, this tankulous version of the well-regarded G915 is another strong contender in the realm of wireless mechanical keyboards. It maintains the same stylish aesthetics and robust build quality, but without the number pad, it saves space on your desk, making it an excellent choice for minimalists. The G915 TKL is also one of the few wireless mechanical keyboards available, which is a significant advantage for users who want to declutter their workspace. The G915 TKL boasts impressive key switches and intuitive software, making it easy to customize your experience. The elevated keycaps and per-key RGB illumination add a modern touch, while the discrete media keys enhance usability. It's worth mentioning that this keyboard is almost twice the price of its wired counterparts, but for those who prioritize portability and a premium feel, the investment can be justified. In conclusion, whether you opt for the Keychron K11 Max or the Logitech G915 TKL, you're in for an exceptional typing experience that emphasizes both performance and style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.